Let me share 2 legitimate ways that you can go about making $1,000 or more quickly online. So if you want to know what those ways are, stick around because I'm going to share them with you right after this intro. Real quickly before we get started, if it's your first time on my channel or on one of my videos, let me introduce myself. My name is Billy Anellis. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur, and my channel is all about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, and the marketing tips, tricks, and strategies that you can implement to effectively run a business online. So if you want more videos about that, I invite you to subscribe right now to my channel by hitting the big red button right in this video right now and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for when I upload new videos, and I've been doing them for every single day lately. If you're a regular, I invite you to comment below right now, hashtag regular right now, and I always say hello back to every single one of the comments that I get on my videos on my channel. So what are the 2 ways that you can go about quickly making $1,000 or more online legitimately? Well, let me share the first way with you right now. The first one is, a lot of businesses online have logos, right? But a lot of them don't have a logo animation for their company. So you can go about that by using a platform called Videos. Okay, so as you can see on the screen right now, you can go and grab a small business logo or a company's logo. You come on this platform right here, and they have a ton of templates that you can use right here, and you grab the company's logo, you run it through this software on this platform, and then you would have a logo animation for that company, and you can easily charge $100, $200, or even up to $500 per logo animation, depending on what template you're using per company that needs something like that, right? So you can easily come on here, you get their logo, you run it through the software, and then you would deliver a logo animation for those companies. All right, so this is the first way you can easily make $1,000 or more in a month doing that. And as you're going along, you can build your fan base, you can build your tribe, and you can increase your price per logo animation that you make. And it's fairly cheap to make logos in here because it's a platform that has templates, and their templates on here are pretty cool. So you can get access to videos running this video through the link that I left in the description box, and it's a great resource to have in the event that you want to do that. Now, the second way that you can go about quickly making $1,000 or more online is by using a platform that I call JVZoo. This is a pretty cool platform to use because you can become an affiliate of products that you didn't actually create, and you can easily come on here, get approved for one of them. And the section that I like to come to when I'm logged in inside of JVZoo is the product section right here, and you're going to go to top sellers. So when you go to top sellers, you're going to see this screen over here, and it's going to be sorted by top total sales or total revenue. I like to keep it on total revenue, and you'll see it sorted by top sellers today, top sellers yesterday, top sellers in the past 7 days, and past top sellers for the past 30 days. I like to come down to the top sellers in the past 30 days because you'll see the ones that are actually ranking that had the most revenue. And if you look at this, that means that you don't need to reinvent the wheel. These are the products that have been proven to have been selling the most and to have the highest volume, the highest revenue, right? So if you go with the number 1, that's right over here, Scribble. So you click on that, and Scribble is a software that allows people to actually go ahead and create ebooks on demand with a specific technology or software. So they also have templates on here that you can go about creating ebooks very fast. So how many people online need an ebook done that looks nice? And right here they have a lot of templates that you can go about, and just imagine getting this software right here even for yourself, and you create ebooks for people and stuff like that. You can easily make $1,000 or more per month doing that. But if you promote something like this, which provides a solution for somebody else, then it has been proven that it's one of the top selling products, and this is something that you didn't create that you can be an affiliate for on JVZoo right here, as you can see here, which has been a top seller for the past 30 days. So those are the two ways that you can go about quickly making $1,000 or more online legitimately, right? So hopefully you got some value from what I just shared with you right now. So if you did get some value off of that, make sure that you hit the thumbs up right now to let me know that you appreciate this video. And don't forget to leave me a comment right underneath this video. Also, to leave a question, feedback, or whatever it is that you want to ask, and I reply to every single one of my comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I share about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, and marketing strategies, tips, and tricks that you can implement to effectively run a business online. So if you want more videos about that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for when I upload new videos. So with that said, I left all the resources right in this video right now for you to go and check out. And I'm going to sign out now. This was Billy Inellis here, and I'll see you on the next video.